When talking about an e-commerce packaging, we have to take into account two things. First, the point of view of the e-tailers and the point of view of the e-shopper. The first thing that the consumer is expecting from an e-commerce packaging is that the product is protected. If the product is damaged, then 58% of the e-shopper would not order on the same site a second time. The second thing, which is extremely important, is that you would not like to get a big box with a very little thing inside. So that is what we call the void space. The void space is a very important thing, and it is combined to the protection, because if a product is loose in the box, then the protection will not be there. So it's a question of finding the right compromise between the product size, the box size, and the right level of protection. A third point after protection and void space is, of course, the customer experience. We have to understand that the packaging is the first link, or sometimes the only link, between the e-tailers and the e-shopper. The first contact between the brand and the e-shopper will be the packaging, and the customer experience will be very important. And then the question is, how do I get rid of the packaging? So the amount of fitment, the amount of the box size, the fact that it is a mono-material or multi-material, something easy to sort and recycle is also a very important point. When we talk about costs with e-commerce packaging, we're talking about three things: the cost of the packaging itself, the cost of the packing, and the cost of transport. The selection of the box sizes and the number of box sizes is a key point, because depending on that, you may facilitate the automation if you have a limited amount of box sizes, but if you limit too much this amount of box sizes, then you will increase the void space. So once again, the cost of the void space is not only that you use too much material, too much fitment, but also too much transport cost. And so we bring all our experience and expertise, considering the customer organization, the portfolio of its product, the speed required for the packing operations, and the end consumer expectations.